Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate link tracking for Shopify with Glew detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. Select that apps section from the menu. Find and click on the Glew app. Once in Glew, locate the integrations option. Click on integrations to see connected platforms. Now, look for affiliate tracking. Select affiliate tracking to access the necessary settings. Review your current affiliate link settings. If your previous tracking links are not appearing, you may need to import them. To import, click on Import Links. Upload your existing affiliate link data file. Follow the prompts to ensure proper mapping of fields. Once the import is complete, verify that all links are accurate. Next, navigate to Reports within Glew. Create a new report focusing on affiliate performance. Select the relevant metrics to analyze for your campaign. Now, generate the report to visualize affiliate activity. Review the report for insights into your tracking efficiency. Return to Shopify to implement any necessary adjustments. Update your affiliate links in your marketing channels as needed. Finally, monitor your updated links for performance regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.